Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Packet Mama, and today I'm going to go over a foundation double crochet. And what that is it's making double crochets without making a long chain before. So usually you would start out with so many chains, and then you would work back for your stitch. And in this case, we're not doing that, and I'm going to show the double crochet version. So you're going to put a slip knot on your hook, and then you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to yarn over, and in the second chain from the hook you're going to insert your hook and try to grab 2 loops for this, and then you're going to yarn over and draw up a loop and make sure that loop is nice and loose. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through 1. This will make the chain portion of our foundation double crochet, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 again, and that will make your first double crochet stitch. And again, it's yarning over and working into the chain that you just made and grabbing both of those loops, pull up a loop, make it nice and loose, draw through 1 for that chain, and then make a traditional double crochet. And that's really all there is to it. Yarning over, working into the chain, both loops of that chain, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through 1 loop, and then yarning over and pulling through, and then continuing to make a double crochet stitch. And this is a really great way to make your first foundation row really quickly, because instead of having to chain, like I'm going to be designing a blanket here soon, and instead of having to chain like 100 chains, I'm now only going to have to do 100 foundation double crochets, and that will make it a whole lot faster, and that is really great. It's also pretty easy to work up once you get going, and once you keep in mind that you're working into and creating this chain. And that's really all there is to it. So I will show you what my little chain or foundation chain looks like so far, and that's really it. So if you are working on something longer, you might want to mark your first stitch so that you don't accidentally work into that chain of 1 right there, because that will not count as a stitch in this case. And yeah, I hope you found that helpful, and I hope you stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for joining me today.